Jah could never give the power to a ballet. So I man see don't panic black and I am mates. See don't panic black and I am mates. I man see don't panic black and I am mates. What going on the world, yeah? So I man say greetings, you know. Name of His Imperial Majesty, King Jesus Christ. Jah over Jireh. Conquering of the tribe of Judah, you know. And them say a Christmas. So we're gonna hail the King first. Welcome to Meds. So I man sitting up on the block and I am Meds, you know. At Christmas time now. Yes, we live see Christmas 2020 been a rough year, But I sitting up on the block and I am Meds, so everybody is saying 2020 Christmas we cancel. But I want to hurry up and move on from this Santa fraud, brother, you know. To move on from this Santa fraud and remember said Jesus had the reason for the season. So the item can't say we cancel Christmas because Jesus can't get cancer. You dig? So I want the item to really meticulously scrutinize that the reason for the season don't change higher. Change your mind. Meds. So I sit up on the block and I ask our meds, you know. How I brethren them are supposed to be brethrens. I go link the eye and ask the eye, Rasta Judge, what is the eye going to consume during this Christmas season? I definitely not going to be eating them ham or eating them pork. This is no joke. I not eat them chicken because I have Jesus within. So I meticulously scrutinize that I need to put out a list so the eye them do bring me into the Babylon system. So I'm going to have curry shrimp, curry lobster, sweet and sour fish, cook up fish, steam fish, roast fish, snapper. You dig? So next thing I still gonna meticulously scrutinize, you know. When I read up the Holy Scriptures, I realize that Jesus they cast out the demons out of the man into the swine. And when them cast them into the swine them get contaminated. You dig? So all of that gingeration coming down with the swine and the ham is contaminated. So I want to know that what I'm taking into the system is corrupt. But I fight, you know. If you don't want to eat the ham, it is up to you. If you're full of ambition, you can do that. But I not do it. But someone might look on the eye and say, but Rasta Jazz, when Jesus cast out the demon them into the swine they run and go into the sea. It's like me so the fish them contaminated as well. Man, I not telling about you know. Sorry about that, people. I don't want to draw me out on the people. Rasta Judge not gonna eat them pork. This is no joke. And I pants I have to fit in, so I not eat them chicken. Meds.